new house. Hello everyone, finally vlogging from our house. I know I took a bit of a hiatus from sharing any sort of house update both on YouTube and on my Instagram, but I got really overwhelmed during the renovation process and I just stopped sharing it completely. But the house is, I want to say done, like the bulk of the renovation is done and we are slowly getting ready to actually move in and live here. 4 months to the day when we got the keys for our house. So we got the keys on the 22nd of September and it's the 22nd of January today. So I'm really excited, we're both really excited to be in. I was toying with the idea of doing a full house tour, but I don't think I'm going to do that anymore because I'd quite like to talk through each of the rooms and do it a bit more, I don't know, just be able to share a bit more in depth and more details of each room's like renovation process. So yeah, that is on the cards, but a little bit later. We have no furniture. It's kind of like part 2 of our renovation essentially. Today's task is to sort out the main bedroom. I am actually very excited to sort out our main bedroom. This is what it's looking like. I mean, I'm just showing you me, but currently we are pretty much ready to move it in, which I'm so excited about. We don't have much in terms of furniture. We basically have 0 furniture. We're on stage 2 of buying a house, which now that the bulk of the renovation is sort of done, we now have a whole house to furnish. So yeah, I don't know why, but once the renovation was done, I was like, yeah, brilliant, ready to move in. And now we're like, oh wait, we own absolutely nothing. But today's task is to sort out the main bedroom so that we can stay here. We don't have a bed. I ordered a bed back in December without realizing it had a lead time of 16 weeks. It's not even a majorly fancy bed. It's literally just a bed from John Lewis, but for some reason, the color fabric that I wanted just has a ridiculously long lead time. So that's 16 weeks. And I got an email the other day saying that we could expect it, I think it was the 1st of April, which is crazy. So yeah, we have a long time, and obviously we want to be staying in our house before the 1st of April. So luckily we have got mattress, bedding and all of that ticked off with the help of Emma Mattress. I actually have a discount code with Emma Mattress as well. I'm going to leave it on the screen where you can get an additional discount off their already discounted mattresses for the January sale, which FYI ends this week. So definitely be quick if you've had your eye on a new mattress, and using my discount code on top, you can get an even better deal. I'm going to show you what I picked up and what we're going to be using in our house in a little while, but I'm so excited to finally have a space to sleep in. Also, I feel like I need to show you my outfit of the day because it is such a mismatch today. All of the shades of grey, but it's just what I had to hand, and as we're just like moving and like, you know, doing all sorts of things, I just want it to be comfortable basically. So it's a bit of a mismatch outfit, but please do excuse that. I don't know if you'll remember from the earlier vlogs, but this is that what do you call these tables? A dressing table that stayed behind from the previous owner. We do still need to like sort it out, but we've given it a bit of a clean and it's going to live here. So let me quickly show you what we have from Emma Mattress. Everything's obviously currently boxed up and has been for quite some time, to be honest with you, so I cannot wait to get everything out of the box. But we have mattresses, pillows, duvet, weighted blanket. We really do have a lot to go through, but this is how our room is looking currently. So I spoke previously that we kept the picture rail, which I'm so happy with. We went for just pure brilliant white for the ceiling, and then our bedroom is actually beige 03 by Lick, which I am loving. It's got a slightly green tinge to it. In different lights it looks completely different. Loads of people really love this color. We've had our families come round and they all say the color of this bedroom is their favorite, and I really do agree. I really do love it. So we picked out dark wood flooring in here, which we knew we wanted all along. We knew we wanted something quite dark, admittedly because I have dark hair and it's constantly on the floor, and I feel like this you won't see it. However, we are already noticing that it's going to be a little bit harder to keep clean. I mean, I've literally just walked in and it's already like a stream of dust. having to get some reinforcement because it's quite heavy.
Wow.
Is the right way?
No, yeah, it's folded in half.
Oh wow. So here's how it's looking on the floor. But we are going to actually leave it for some time because I will be honest, we had it in the box for longer than recommended. I think the max time they say is like 4 weeks, and I genuinely think this was in the box for like 2 months. So we're going to give it some time to hopefully inflate, but it's already looking pretty thick already. So hopefully it shouldn't take too much longer. You are meant to leave it a few hours anyway, and I think we will just leave it like a day or two before we attempt to sleep on it. But I'm very excited to have an Emma mattress. Whilst that's inflating behind me, I thought I would share the other things we got from Emma. So starting off with this box, which I believe is a mattress topper. So it's just like a fabric type of mattress topper. So we are definitely going to use that. A couple of different types of pillows as well. I don't know why, but I really am into the idea of the bed like filled with pillows. I know they're so practical, but I think they look really good. So I'm quite excited about that. This is pillow number 1, also vacuum packed and vacuum sealed, which is actually really good in terms of space saving. However, do be a little bit smarter than us and don't order them way before you need them, otherwise they'll be in a box for a really long time. Pillow number 1, I got 2 of these. These I believe are the classic Emma pillows. Another pillow next. This is the Emma classic pillow. This one's a slightly more like squared off shape, but still like foam, the classic Emma foam. 2 of those. Next box, mattress topper. So I think this is also going to need to deflate a bit, so I'm going to pop it to the side of our mattress. And the last one is a weighted blanket, and I'm actually really excited about this because I've heard such good things that it's like a hug and it helps you fall asleep easier, it can help relieve anxiety and things like that as well. So I'm really keen to test that one out. But that is everything unboxed from Emma. It is so much. I feel like our room currently has a king size mattress, a king size mattress topper, but we are just hoping for them to expand quite a bit, which they have done really well considering that everything was boxed for a little while too long. But I am now going to throw away all of the boxes that have just thrown up into the hallway, so going to get that all sorted. But before I go and tackle the recycling, I wanted to let you know that Emma Mattress has a January sale currently running. I'm pretty sure it ends this week though, so if you do have your eye on something, you need to be pretty quick to bag it in the sale. I have also been very kindly given a discount code which you can use on top of the sale, so definitely use that if you want to get even more saving. I will pop it on the screen and I will also have it in the description box down down below. There is so much you can get on Emma Mattress. I genuinely didn't know before I started browsing the website. They have so many bedding accessories, like I've got my duvet, my pillows, mattress topper, mattress, weighted blanket, so much from Emma, which I'm really excited about. So if you too want to upgrade your mattress and bedding accessories, definitely check out Emma Mattress.